Okay, I'm gonna skip the unboxing and just say that it came boxed in a box. So it was secure, it had plastic on it, but I want to go straight to the product. This thing bends any which way, but there's like this rubber coating on there. It's so soft and nice. And then this is small. So this will clip onto your bed, okay? And then this moves around any way you want it. But check this out. I want to turn the light out and show you this. So it's got an up intensity and down, and then the different settings. So I'm going to turn on the on button and watch the different lighting. This is more like a, I don't know, like a brown. I don't know, it's soft. And this has got more blue, I think, or that one does. But look at all the different settings. And then, like, let's see this one. And then you have the positive and negative. I'm going to go more, 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 more. And then let's go less, less, less. So it takes it down. So it intenses the power of the light or takes it down on each setting. And let me also say here that it's a USB port. And again, this is very well made. The price I paid for this, oh my gosh, I stole it from Amazon. I'm so shocked. And it's on there tight and secure. And then if you don't want it to be bothered with, you know, hey, put it on up there, move it up there. And then this right here, I can just like put it up here to store if I don't want it to be plugged in all the time. You can just like put it up here. I don't know. I'm just saying, I'm so glad I bought this. This is going to be great for me reading. And go get you one. That's all I got to say. It's a great light. Let's see. You can adjust the different brightnesses or brightness. Make it brighter, make it dimmer. You can change the colors. And then you can turn it off. So it works really well. This bends. I probably should have done that earlier. But it's been good for like a little reading corner for my son. It's a nice night light. And you just kind of place it. It's very flexible. So yeah, you just place it in the corner.
Today I wanted to show you guys my new book light. I needed a good light source in order to take some pictures and videos, and I wanted to be able to read at night with a light that I wasn't having to hold or put on my book. It's also long and bendable, so you can bend it in any position that you need. So it's very helpful, especially when you're reading in bed. You can bring it right up close to your book, or when you're using it on a desk, you can bring it right up close to your keyboard. What I really like about this light is that it comes in 3 color settings. You have a warm yellow light, a cool white, and a cool and warm light. You can also decrease and increase the brightness. The clasp also seems very sturdy. It's actually kind of hard to push together, which is a good thing because you don't want it slipping off and falling. In summary, this book light is super compact and easy to use, and I love the light source that it gives off.
Yo me voy a comprar algo de comer.
¿No vas a comer pizza?
No.